Hi there, Melody from WTI, and I love watching birds. Do you? You need this bird feeder that attaches to your window so you can watch the birds eat from the comfort of your own home. Let me show you why I love this one. I really am impressed with this bird feeder from Mrcrafts. It's made out of this really nice clear acrylic material so you can see everything. It's got a divider in this easy slide tray, and it's got leaking holes at the bottom so the bird seed is always going to be dry. So whether I set up my camera to watch the birds come and go and then rewatch the film later, or whether I'm just standing right there filming, I love how the birds just feel so comfortable to come and just sit in here. There's lots of room for them to move around, grab a couple of their seeds and get ready. We're able to see so many different types of birds, and I just love it. And setting up my camera, I'm able to slow things down a little bit and watch the beauty of these birds and how graceful they actually are. I love that the birdhouse is made in a way it's going to protect them through all types of weather. The strong suction cups will hold the weight of a squirrel, but won't allow these big birds to interfere with the smaller ones. So if you're looking for an easy installation, a functional bird feeder for your window, so you could just sit and watch them, I suggest this one. I love it, and I know you will too. That's my point of view.